Hi, my name is Sampath. Today I am going to tell two easy ways to find duplicates in Excel sheet. First one is conditional formatting. First, select the ranges in which you want to identify the duplicates. Here I am selecting the ranges. I am selecting the all my ranges to identify the which country name is repeating more than one time. Now click on the home button, go to conditional formatting, select highlight cells rules, click on duplicate values. When you click on the duplicate values, system opens the small pop-up window. Here you can select the duplicate or unique. In my case, I am selecting the duplicates. Here select the color, in which color you want to highlight the duplicate value. I'm selecting this color. See, when I select the color in background, system automatically changed the color. Now click on OK button. See, now system identify the all duplicates values in the selected range of cells. Second one is conditional formatting with formula. In the second case, we can identify the duplicate values by using COUNTIF formula. So first select the ranges in which you want to identify the duplicate. I'm selecting my ranges to identify the duplicate values. Now click on the home button, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules, select here more rules. Here select the use a formula to determine which cell to format. Select the cell. Now enter the formula. First enter the is equal to COUNTIF. COUNTIF start bracket. Now select the ranges. I am selecting the all country names here. I am selected all country names. So by default, system automatically locks the cells when I selected the ranges. Now enter comma, click on the single cell to identify the values. System identifies that value in the selected range. I am selected from A1 to H26. So in between that range, system automatically selects the all range. In that range, system identify this duplicate value. So system added the dollar symbols, remove the dollar symbols by clicking on F4 button from your keyboard. So I removed the dollar symbol both sides. So when the same COUNTIF formula goes to in the selected range, this formula works applies to all selected ranges. Now ends the bracket. I want to identify the how many times is repeating the my A1 value. So my A1 or A2, A3 or anything in this within the selected range. I am identifying the which is repeating more than one time. Just enter the greater, add the greater than symbol, enter 1. It means it is which is repeating more than one time. To put the color, click on the format button, click on the fill. I'm selecting green color. Select the green color, click on OK button. Now click on the OK button. See, system identified the duplicates values in my selected range of cells. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and click on bell icon to get new updates.